What's up, YouTube? And today we talk about Monster Jam Trucks. Yes.
And before we get
Started.
hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell,
Yum, thumbs up.
thumbs down, and comment down below what we do next.
What we'll do next. And
Let's get
this
this
video started. What's up, YouTube? And today we talk about Monster Jam Trucks. Yes, and that is
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. And this is our lines of Monster Jam Trucks, you guys.
If the goal cannot fit, so we line it like that.
At the top.
Okay,
There
let's
you can
do
see it
some flips
one
now.
by one, guys. Then Simon will do a best flip ever. Oh, we do some nice flip there, huh? Okay, let's see what will you pick. El Toro Loco. Oh, it's over here. It's over here.
We can do some.
What you can do it. Okay. Whoa, that is a nice wheelie. Whee! Oh, we go under Simon's feet. Oh, it is like a Toro! It's like a Toro or something. Whoa! That looks so cool. Ew, there. Oosh. That looks so awesome. Okay.
Next one.
Next one is
Max D Blade.
Max D. Whoa!
Make it. It's
It
spiky.
make it.
Touch it.
Is it spiky?
Yeah.
I think it's spiky, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. A 3,
Well,
2, 1, go! Ooh! Nice, some cool flips there.
let's do some real flips.
Okay. Oh, it didn't do a back flip or
Front
something.
flip.
Okay, a front flip. Oh, do a front flip. Oh, there.
I'm flying.
Okay. And Simon is trying to do it a front flip, guys. Oh, whoosh. And Simon make it.
Yay.
Clap your hands for Simon, guys.
One more.
One more front flip. Okay. And this is the other monster trucks that are left, guys. Blue Thunder and Dragon Eyes.
And green one.
Yeah, the green, the tiny green one. Whee! Over there. Whoa, let's see how fast it can go. Oh, it's quite fast.
Let's see it
Okay.
move to you.
What? You will move it to me? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's moving right at me, guys. And let's bring this back to Simon. Oh, there.
Yeah.
And you want to go it back to me again? Oh! And you want to go it? Oh,
Yeah.
right there. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait.
Yeah.
Over here.
Let's go.
Whoa! We tried
We
it.
do a
Not
tonic.
over there, right, guys? Looks so cool. And let's go it back to Simon again, guys. 3, 2, 1. Push ay. Ay, push ay. Push. 3, 2, 1. Go! Right over there. Oh! Those are nice wheelies. And look at this. The Blue Thunder. We're gonna go at you naman next.
Let me.
2, 1. Ay. Go! 3, 2, 1. Okay. And next is this dragon will go at you next. 3, 2, 1. Go! 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh.
Go! Oh, that is zombie. Oh my gosh, zombie is very angry, guys. Zombies. There's one zombie says, I am the best zombie into the town. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Zombie is eating Blue Thunder piece by piece. Rawr. Zombie is eating Blue Thunder, no! And then there's a dragon released from the forest. And you'll save it. No, it missed. And there's one more. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Oh! They crash! No! And now zombie ate the 2. And they turn to zombie. Oh my gosh. Why did they turn to zombie? Oh no, we're eating it.
Uh-oh, the stuck away.
A sticker? Okay, fix the sticker first. And let's see this, guys. How did it do a flip here? Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoosh. Don't do it. 3, 2, 1.
The other
Oh.
one's missing.
You guys can see how fast this thing is. Oh, there, over there. Whoosh. Oh, he's eating it, guys. Oh my gosh. Hey. No, oh. Do handstands. Do a roll. Oh no, Zombie is eating Blue Thunder. What will we gonna do? But Grave Digger will come. But I guess Grave Digger's right there.
He's stuck.
Now me stuck there. He needs a problem there. And now they're fighting. Dragon versus Zombie. Who are you gonna think to win? Oh! Dragon is punching Zombie Monster Gems Rock. What will Zombie will gonna do? Oh no! Oh no! Oh wait. See what will gonna happen? Oh! What is happening to Dragon?
Ugh.
Oh! There!
Fire time.
And he's knocked down. And Simon used his fire to save Zombie. And now he crashed. And now he crashed. Oh man.
Goodbye.
Oh, what happened? Oh! Dragon just threw Zombie right there. Okay. See
Let's
what
have
we're
some
gonna
fun.
happen.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
I fell out.
We have some technical difficulties there, guys. Because
yeah.
the monster jump rocks just fell down to the sea.
I don't see it.
You don't see it?
Good
Can
luck
you see
on
it,
the
guys?
spy ninja.
Can you see it, guys?
I'm a spy ninja. Don't worry.
Can you see it, guys? Where did it go?
Oh, it's down there.
It's down there. Can you get it or
Yeah,
not?
look.
Right. Can we get it, guys? Let's see.
I got something handy good.
Okay. Can we see it, guys?
Hey, yeah.
Can we see it here? I think we cannot see it right here, guys. It's way too far there, I think. It's over there. What happened?
Handy Daniel.
Okay.
Handy Daniel.
Okay.
Flashlight.
Okay. Go fix it. Can you grab it
See
there?
it.
Huh? Can you grab it there, bro? Can you see it, guys, there?
Look.
Oh, it's right there.
So far.
It is so far. I think we're gonna forget Zombie first. Bye-bye, Zombie.
I don't
Release your
quite.
body.
I don't quite like zombie anyway.
Okay. Now let's go.
Okay,
Let's grab it. Let's grab some other monster jump trucks.
who cares? Because I don't
Look at
like
this,
zombies
guys.
anyway.
This is all the monster jump trucks that is aligned in here. And
Left.
dust. And this is Grave Digger left. Okay. And the
Then
Grave
they
Digger.
go on the fixation.
Okay. Let's close the door, guys, first. Let's close the door. Okay. Good. And then, where is Simon, guys? Simon is right over there. What are you doing there, bro? What happened there? Did you have some technical difficulties? Oh my gosh, that's other piece. But that one, guys, has a mod. And let's see if Simon can save Zombie. Or maybe...
Hey, come here.
Okay?
I can
Let's see,
quite
guys.
reach it.
Okay, Simon will reach it.
I can go under bed.
Okay, sige, go. Let's see. See, guys, if Simon can reach it over there.
Wait, this is too dark. There. So help me.
It's over there, guys.
So
Simon hands
far.
is right there. Let's see if we can
Give
reach
me
it.
a little boost, mate.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, let's see, guys.
It's so fun. Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
And
get it! It's at the side. Ah. Okay, it's at the side. Go get it, Kuya.
let's get it, guys. It's right over there at the side. Oh, something mountains there. Let's see, okay. Let's see, guys. Let's grab this thing. Oh, it's right there.
I can get it.
Let's grab him. Yay! We grab him! Yay! That's awesome. We save zombie. Right, Mon? And what trick shots do you like to show us next? And now we jump over there, guys. What happened?
Yeah.
And now they all jump. What happened to them? Why did they all jump?
I will say you. Yeah.
And dragon jump. And now look at there,
You
guys.
make it.
They all
Yeah.
just
Woohoo!
jump down there.
I got 2 plus strength.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. What is this super strength that Simon is talking about?
Make it.
Okay. That's awesome one.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! That's the coolest backflip ever. Oh, and it land over there, guys.
Bounce make.
What? Oh, and go back again.
Oh.
Oh, and land right there. It looks so cool, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and then jump over.
He's still saved.
Still safe?
Saved.
Can you save him?
Yeah.
Are you sure, kid?
Well.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. Goodbye.
And then jump over there. What's happening to this, bro? Can you save it or no?
Help.
Okay. Let's help Simon, guys. He cannot stand up over there. And he's trying to stand up still. Oh, there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Let me do some flips, but let's
Yes, he
see.
make it.
Oh, yeah, make it there, guys.
That's a tiny lamb.
He's still alive there, right, Mom? That
I'm
looks so cool.
flying back.
Okay.
Meet me at the storage building.
3,
Yeah.
1. Oh! And it fly again right here. You go back again. Let's see, guys. 3, oh, doing some cool flip there.
Uh-oh.
Okay. 2, 1. Oh, do some side. And this video, guys, is about monster jump trucks. And we hope you like this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Bye!